If you're looking for the best hosting or coupon code and the biggest discount available right now, this is the deal you want to use. Right now, you can get up to 85% off hosting plus an extra 10% discount, 3 months free, and a free domain name included. But there's a specific way you need to activate this deal, otherwise you won't get the full discount. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the lowest hosting or pricing step by step. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best hosting or discount available. To get started, scroll down to the description below and click the hosting or discount link. I provided the coupon code next to the link. This will take you to the official hosting or website. Once you're on the page, click Claim Deal, and you'll see the available hosting plans. Here's a quick breakdown. Premium plan. This plan starts as low as $179 per month and is perfect for beginners or up to 3 websites. Unlimited plan. This plan starts at $269 per month and lets you host unlimited websites with more resources. Cloud Startup plan. This plan starts at $629 per month and is best for higher traffic websites or businesses that need more performance. Now this part is very important if you want the maximum discount. To get the 85% off, the extra 10% discount, 3 months free, and the free domain name, you need to select the 48-month term. This gives you the lowest monthly price and the biggest overall savings. The 12-month and 24-month terms come with a great discount, plus the extra 10% discount along with a free domain name. If you choose the monthly plan, you won't get the free domain and the coupon code won't work properly. So I highly recommend going with the 48-month option to get the full deal. On the checkout page, you'll see a spot to enter a coupon code. I provide the link to Hostinger and the coupon code next to the link to get an additional 10% off your order. After that, you'll be able to choose your domain name. With the 12, 24, and 48-month plans, your domain is included for free. Then just complete creating your account and your payment, and your hosting account will be ready to go. So just to recap, with this deal, you're getting up to 85% off hosting, an extra 10% discount, 3 months free, and a free domain name, which makes this one of the lowest price hosting deals available right now. If you want to take advantage of this hosting or discount, click the link in the description below. I've included the coupon code right next to the link so you can get the maximum savings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more videos on web hosting and building websites. If you have any questions about Hostinger or which plan to choose, feel free to leave a comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.